Hey y'all, it's your girl Cass, and today you guys, we are doing some free under $50, under $20 photo studio backdrops that you guys probably already have around the house. I'm like sweating really bad. I have a fever right now, you guys, because I got my COVID vaccine today, but I'm pushing through because I procrastinated all spring break, and this video has to come out tomorrow because I love y'all. Let's get it. For the first free studio photo shoot backdrop idea, I used aluminum foil. So I got some really big aluminum foil from the store. I took it out the package, I crumbled it up, and I just hung it to the wall. I used pins to hang up the initial ones, and then the ones that I attached to it, I just used some packing tape to attach the rest of the aluminum to the aluminum that was pinned to the wall. For this shoot, the first time I did it with natural lighting. The second time I did it, I just used a single softbox light. If you guys know, you know I have two hue bulbs in my softboxes that are on bright settings, so I just use one softbox for all of these shoots.
Yes, I'ma love you like you love Johnny Cash.
I'll be your gangster, I'll be your man in black.
I know what I'm doing, yeah, don't need a map.
I got the juice to throw your train off the track. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching.
Get a little too close, now we're touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact.
I'll rock your world, I'll knock you flat on your back.
When I'm good, I'm really good, boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
You be my Bonnie, baby, I'll be your Clyde.
Hit the ignition and I'll give you a ride.
Swing of your hips has got me fit to be tied.
I'm shaking tail and taking names on the side. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching.
Get a little too close, now we're touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact.
I'll rock your world and knock you flat on your back. When I'm good, I'm really good, boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, girl. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, girl. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm bad, I'm better. When I'm bad, I'm better. When I'm good, I'm really good, boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, girl. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good, girl. When I'm bad, I'm better.
I really love how the aluminum came out, like with the light, especially at night. Like, it was just super cool, and I tried to play with props for this as well. So I used like my dagger, I think it's from Egypt, for that shoot because I wanted to kind of match the aluminum. For the second backdrop, you guys, I created this beautiful magazine backdrop here. I used my Vanity Fair and Vogue magazine, and I just went through it and ripped out the pages of anything that looked aesthetically pleasing. After I ripped out the pages, I once again started taping it to the wall, and then the ones on the bottom row are just actually placed on the ground, but I did add some tape to like a few of them. They're all over the place now, but for that shoot, I also used a single hue box, and I just used my other Essence magazines as props for that one. That was a lot of foam. Next up, you guys, I used a black trash bag. Again, it was kind of like the aluminum, kind of how it reflected that softbox light. So I just created a little mini shoot with the black trash bag background. Still came out pretty cute. The next background I did was a red sleeping bag. My sister has like this red, really nice plush sleeping bag, and I wanted to try doing some like on the ground. So I did some with the red sleeping bag, and then I laid my black fur coat on top of that sleeping bag, and I did some on top of there, you guys. Literally anything can be a backdrop, you guys. If you watch my free photo studio video, you saw I use sheets, blankets, fabric, like different things to create a backdrop. There's so many different things that you probably already own that you guys can use to create a backdrop. So no excuses, get started today. Anyways, you guys, I had a lot of fun doing this shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed the photos. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post.